Are you trying to install MinGW32 on your Ubuntu system, but running into issues? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve that problem together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you need a specific tool for your project and it just won't install. Many users face similar challenges, especially when dealing with package management on Linux. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned they want to install MinGW32 on Ubuntu 16.10 to generate an x86 Windows version of their application. They tried using the command sudo apt install MinGW32, but encountered a package not found error. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be causing this issue? The package not found error usually means that the package is either not available in your current repositories or that your system needs an update. We'll explore how to resolve this step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To begin installing MinGW32 on Ubuntu, the user should first update their package list. This ensures that they have the latest information about available packages. Next, the user needs to install the MinGW64 package, which includes the necessary tools for cross-compiling applications for Windows. After the installation is complete, the user should verify that the MinGW64 tools are correctly installed. This can be done by checking the version of the compiler. Finally, the user can now compile their application for Windows using the MinGW64 tools. They should modify their makefile or CMake configuration to use the correct compiler. Fun fact, did you know that MinGW stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows? It's a powerful tool that allows you to compile applications for Windows right from your Linux environment. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests installing MinGW32 using a different package. They recommend running the command sudo apt get install gcc-MinGW64. After installation, you can compile your code with i686w64 MinGW32 gcc win32 into output.exe. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official Ubuntu repositories or community forums for the latest packages and installation methods. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to install MinGW32 or MinGW64 on your Ubuntu system without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to share your success stories with us.